Alright guys, welcome back. It's Monday, March the 30th. To start off the warm-up, we're going to do about 3 minutes of jump roping. If you have a jump rope, great. We're just going to be moving around for 3 minutes. If not, we can do some lateral hops or just 3 minutes of movement. That could be some jumping jacks, some high knees, whatever you can do for 3 minutes. Alright, moving on for the stretching portion of the warm-up, we're going to do some banded mobility. If you have a band with you, that's awesome. If not, we can do a belt, a scarf, a towel, whatever you got to get around your leg. We're going to do some banded mobility. Got my band with me here. To start it off, we're going to get on our back. We're going to wrap our band on the bottom of the foot, block out the knee, straighten out the leg. We're going to rest here for about 30 seconds to a minute. Alright, after we stretch out the hamstring, we're going to fold over, get the IT band. Again, hanging out here for about 30 seconds to a minute. And then from there, we're going to open it up, stretch out that inner thigh. And we're going to get that on both legs. Alright guys, moving on, we're going to do 2 rounds of some movements. Feel free to grab a pair of dumbbells if you'd like. You can grab a barbell, maybe a broomstick, whatever you can to get in this warm-up. Alright, to start it off, we have 6 reps of hand release push-ups. So getting down on the ground, you're going to get torso to the ground, hands come up, then push up to the top 6 times. From there, we're going to grab a pair of dumbbells. I'm going to get 6 Renegade Rows. Alright, so here I go into the plank position. And I get 6 Renegade Rows, 3 per arm. Alright, after that we have 6 reps of deadlifts. So grab whatever equipment you have on hand. We're going to get 6 deadlifts. Nice and easy. Alright, after that we're going into a front rack. We have 6 strip press, keeping that core tight, pushing overhead. Alright, so 2 rounds of those movements and get after it.
Hey everybody, it is Monday, March the 30th. We have 2 parts for your workouts today. Let's talk about them. Part A, we're going to start off with 4 rounds for quality. We have 10 single leg Romanian deadlifts on each side. We have 10 side plank twists on each side. We have 10 single leg hip thrusts on each side. And we have 10 plank pull-throughs on each side. We're hoping that you can add some weight to some of these movements, although you could do any of them as body weight if that's your choice. The single leg Romanian deadlift, you could likely use the same weight that you're using for that for your plank pull-throughs. Remember, these are 4 rounds for quality, so perform each movement as best as you can. For part B, we have a descending repetition workout for you to complete 4 times. We have push-ups, bent rows, and devil's press. The reps will go like this: 30, 24, 18, 12, and 6 repetitions of push-ups, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4 repetitions of bent rows, and 10, 8, 6, 4, 2 repetitions of devil's press. What that means is you will perform the workout by starting with 30 push-ups, 20 bent rows, 10 devil's press, following with 24 push-ups, 16 bent rows, 8 devil's press, and so on until you finally have completed your 2 devil's presses. Good luck. Let us know how you did. We'll see you next time.